For this motor skills activity, we're going to create a rainbow using dropper art. So you'll need to draw a rainbow onto your piece of paper. You'll need some pipettes and you'll need some watered down paints. So squeeze up the paint into the pipette, and then going around the rainbow you can just drop very slowly the paint onto the page. Try and space them out nice and evenly and go all the way around. When you've finished one colour, you can then get a second pipette and get the next colour and go around the next section of your rainbow. Continue doing this until you have all of your sections filled in with little drops of paint. When you've let the paint dry, this will be your final piece of artwork. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel where there are more exciting activities for you to try.